viewer's name. So the first person was Geneva. Again, I hope I say everyone's names correctly. I do apologise if I don't. I will try my best though. You can always put down in the comments below how it's actually said. So thank you again to everyone who commented. So thank you, Geneva, thank you for all the support. Geneva, thank you to Geneva. We'll just do a little bit of lid sounds. I hope it's not too loud. Geneva. The next one is Mikey. From Ireland. Mikey, thank you so much for subscribing and being a part of our little community. Thank you to Mikey. Thank you to Mikey. Okay, the next name is Alba. Thank you to Alba, grazie, Alba, which actually means sunrise in Italian. So all these names are very beautiful. So yeah, Alba. So thank you to Alba for subscribing. Thank you for all the support. This is actually an old phone that doesn't really work anymore, but I feel like phones make very good tapping noises. So far we've had Geneva, Mikey and Alba. Thank you. Okay, I'm just finding some other triggers. Oh yeah, I have something here that I got recently for my birthday. It's upside down. It's this thing to use in the shower to sort of exfoliate your skin. It's called a hemp massage glove. But yeah, so the next name is Julia. Thank you so much, Julia. Grazie, Julia. Grazie. Thank you. Julia. I'm saying it in 2 different ways because I'm not sure if the person is Italian or not, so I always try and pronounce names as well as I can. I don't always get it correct, but so it's either Julia or Julia. But thank you so much for all the support. Thank you. Thank you to Julia. Okay, we'll do some water sounds now. So now we have Chloe. Thank you so much, Chloe, for all the support. Thank you, Chloe. Chloe also has an ASMR channel, which I'll link in the description below. So thank you to Chloe. Let's spray a little bit. That's actually quite refreshing. It's getting quite warm at the moment here, so that was very, very refreshing. So thank you so much to Chloe, to Chloe, to Chloe, to Chloe. Thank you to Chloe. Okay. The next person is Juliana from Argentina. I hope I'm saying your name correctly. I wasn't sure if it was maybe Juliana. But yeah, so Juliana, thank you so much for supporting the channel. Juliana. Oh yeah, I also wanted to, I recently got this new lipstick, but it's quite a sheer colour, as you can see, and it's refillable as well. Let's just apply a little bit. So thank you so much, Juliana. Let's just put a little bit on. Thank you, Juliana. Okay, now we have Federica. Thank you, Federica. Grazie. Grazie a Federica. Grazie per tutto. Vuol dire tantissimo. Allora, grazie. We then have Erika, who's also from Italy. So grazie a Erika. Grazie Federica. Grazie Erika. Grazie Federica. Grazie Erika. Grazie a Erika. I'm just going to do a little bit of collarbone tapping. So grazie a Erika. Grazie. Thank you, Erika. It would be fun to do a video in the future where I do my subscribers' favourite triggers. I'd love to do that. So let me know if you'd be interested. Okay, I'm just gonna have a quick drink from my tea. It's got some cute pandas on it. I'm drinking green tea right now, which I absolutely love. Love some good green tea. Okay, so the next person is Luna. Thank you so much to Luna. I'm gonna do some mic triggers now, but yeah, thank you so much to Luna. Thank you so much to Luna. Thank you so much. Hopefully that's not too loud. Let's just quickly wipe away this around. Okay, okay. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Thank you to Bear. Okay, next we have Leandro. I'm gonna do some gripping triggers now. So thank you so much to Leandro. Grazie, Leandro. Grip. Grazie Leandro. Thank you, Leandro. Thank you. Grazie mille per tutto. Grip. So grazie to Leandro. Thank you, Leandro. Grazie, Leandro. I love gripping sounds. They're like so tingly. So thank you to Leandro. So now we have Raimi. Thank you, Raimi. Thank you. Okay. So thank you to Raimi. Thank you, Raimi, for all the support. It means a lot. Thank you, Raimi. Thank you, Raimi. Thank you so much. Honestly, I'm grateful to every single one of you, even those who weren't able to comment or who didn't comment their name. Thank you for 2,000 subscribers. I still can't believe it. Okay, we then have Martina, or Martina. I don't think this person put where they're from, so it's either Martina or Martina. Martina. Sounds very similar, but yeah. Martina or Martina. Thank you so much for subscribing. I really appreciate it. So thank you to Martina. Thank you to Martina. Thank you. you so much. It means the world to me. And then finally we have, so this person has two first names, so I hope I'm saying them correctly. But Ali Emmeline. Thank you so much to Ali Emmeline. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, Ali Emmeline. Ali Emmeline. Ali Emmeline. Ali Emmeline. Ali Emmeline. Ali Emmeline. Thank you. Ali Emmeline. Ali Emmeline. Ali Emmeline. Ali Emmeline. Thank you. Okay, thank you again to Ali Emmeline as well. So those were all the people who commented their names. I thought now what I would do is just quickly say them all again. Sorry about my lips. And I might do some like mic brushing and some just personal attention. Okay. We're just gonna now go through everyone's names one more time. So thank you to Geneva. Thank you so much. To Mikey. To Alba. Thank you so much. To Julia. Thank you so much to Chloe.